Hey guys, opening a Forex.com account has never been simpler. Whether you are a beginner or switching brokers, start by heading to forex.com /sign up and select your region. Fill in your basic profile information, name, email, country, and date of birth. You will then receive a verification email. Next, complete your trading experience questionnaire. This helps Forex.com tailor your dashboard and recommend leverage settings suitable to your risk profile. Upload verification documents directly to the portal, government ID, and proof of address. In most cases, approval takes less than 24 hours. Once verified, link your preferred payment method, bank transfer, debit card, or e-wallet. Deposits are instant, withdrawals take 1 to 2 business days. From there, you can download the MetaTrader app or use the Forex.com web trader, which now includes real-time AI insights and trading analytics. This streamlined system ensures that anyone can open a Forex.com account without technical stress or financial confusion. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.